Okay, yeah. Don't care like Stevie, okay, yeah. I look good, I smell like Dolce, yeah. Rich and independent, okay. I follow my dreams, I follow my gut. I follow your bitch, she follow me back. She calling my phone, they calling her back. You're doing too much, you gotta relax. I woke up this morning and thought of myself, I'ma make money today. I'm chill with nobody but me and myself, cause I cannot fuck with the fakes.
So my birthday is in a couple days, and well, not a couple days, like a few days or whatever. And I have been like trying to find me something to wear, and it's been a struggle, y'all, because the dress that I was gonna wear it's just not twerk friendly. So I'm trying to find me something that's twerk friendly but not thottish, you know what I mean? Because I'm still a married woman, and I don't want to be out here like, she got that on and she married. So I really don't want to do that. Like, I really don't. So I'm out in these streets trying to find me something to wear. I did like the last vlog. I think I did okay. I told y'all I'm gonna start hitting y'all with vlogs, but by myself today. I should have been vlogging when I was with my nieces, but I wasn't thinking because I was trying to find me something to freaking wear, and I can't find me nothing to wear. So I'm about to go to this little lame ass mall, see what the freak I can find. Hopefully I'll find something. I don't know, man. I'm turning 30 something, so I'm just trying to live my life. I just want to live my life. You know, live my best life. But I can honestly say that this year's birthday is going to be the best birthday within the last 3 to 5 years, I should say. I mean, my 30th birthday, I went to Vegas. My hubby took me to Vegas. That was okay, but that was more of a like family trip. It wasn't really, it really wasn't about me. You know what I mean? We went down there to see his brother, so it was really more for his family. It really wasn't for me. So, we really didn't do shit. But yeah, man, I don't even know why I came up to this part. Anyway, I need to go down to the other part. But yeah, so my 30th birthday, it was cool. But like I said, and then we went in June. My birthday's in September. So like, I really didn't do shit for my 30th birthday. Like, I really didn't do shit. A motherfucking thing. I really didn't do shit. So that's kind of reason why I'm like, I'm turning 30 something, and I really wanted to not sit in the house, and yeah, I just didn't really want to sit in the house this year. I wanted to get out, enjoy what my life. Getting older, like, who wants to be a homebody for the rest of their life? Like, who wants to be in a shell? Like, I'm not trying to be a hermit crab. No, I'm trying to live my life in a fucking shell. And then next thing you know, I'm dead. You know what I mean? Like, no, you didn't get to experience life. So a club have invited me out. It actually gave me my own little flyer. Isn't that cute? Like, that was so cute. I was like, okay. So at first I wasn't gonna go, but I'm like, shit, they didn't give me a flyer. I said, let me go on out and show my face a little bit, you know. So first I wasn't, but now I am. So, but I'm about to go into this mall, y'all, see what I can find, and yeah, I don't know. shall see how I feel when I come back home, because hopefully I find something, but I don't know, because the Independence Mall ain't never got shit, and I'm damn for sure not driving to fucking Kansas. I don't feel like driving to Kansas. We live here in Missouri. The Independence Mall is dead. Like, this mall used to crack. This mall is like so dead now. Like, I don't even know. And then the Oak Park Mall, that ain't nothing either. It's like you gotta drive all the way out to the Legends to find something decent or find something cute to wear. But I'm just not in the mood to drive all the way out in the middle of Kansas to go find me something to wear. No. So we about to make it do what it do. And yeah. Still trying to find me something freaking wear in this damn mall. It's my second time being back here today. Just don't know what I'm gonna do. I should have never changed my mind. I should have never changed my mind on hello, I'm alright, how are you? Still got some really cute stuff. Yeah, you can see. Still really got some really cute stuff. So, yeah. I don't want people to be looking at me all crazy, because Kansas City, it's just not normal for people to be vlogging and walking around with a camera. So when you do it, it's just people stare at you. Check this little boutique out, and then I will go home. Hello. Okay. Cool beans. Thank you. Thank you. You guys have a good night. Thanks. Yeah, but 85% off, it sounds cool. And then you look at the price tag and it's like $148. No, sis. We're not doing that, sis. No. So I'm gonna take my ass home. At first I was going to try to see if I can find something else, but obviously I can't find shit in this shitty ass Independence Mall. So I'm going to go somewhere else and try to find somewhere else to go, because this shit, it's not working. And I can't find shit. And then and then it's just like the Independence Mall became the boutique in the mall, boutique mall or something, like, because we have more boutiques in this mall than we have actual stores. So I'm about to go home. I'm about to go home and relax, and yeah. So I forgot my selfie stick, and my arm is hurting. So, but I'm about to go get me and my hubby something to eat. We started this no meat diet, so it is a bit rough for your girl. Let me just say that much. It's been a really rough for me, because I love my chicken and I love my beef, and yeah. So Friday morning we're gonna try to hit up Oak Park Mall. I'm going to go ahead and make that drive. Oak Park Mall see what they have to offer. And I'm so mad that the only store in this mall that is remotely club ready closed is Windsor, and they really don't have shit in there, so we gotta turn this down because I don't want copyright. I'm vlogging. So it's my birthday, y'all. Sorry, excuse me. So it's my birthday, y'all. Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, baby.
Yeah. So it's my birthday. We about to go to this club and have some fun. You know, we on Westport. So yes, we about to meet up with my sister-in-law and a couple other people. And it's about to be lit for my 32nd. And I can't believe I'm 32, y'all. Like, do I look 32? 'Cause I don't feel 32, but look at my baby.
Take the next right onto Westport Road. Then your destination will be on the right.
Silva was supposed to tell us. Silva was supposed to tell us what it was, how the parking and stuff was supposed to go.
Where she at? Where she at?
Hey y'all,
They got this shit
I
blocked out.
slayed.
What the fuck is that?
I slayed my birthday look like. My hair, my makeup, outfit, everything just on point. My baby on point. It's just lit for your girl's birthday. Ooh, it's packed down here.
Fuck.
I should text Stephanie to ask her where she parked at.
Where she at?
Yeah.
Take the next right onto Pennsylvania Avenue.
Shit, I don't know where the fuck a nigga going, trying to find a nigga.
Please refrain from saying the N-word on my channel.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Oh, hold up. I got on heels, bruh.
We in here. That's right. The place right up the street, right there.
Take the next right onto Mill Street.
Oh, dang. Don't tear up the underbelly of our car. That's the reason I wanted to bring my selfie stick so I won't have to hold my camera.
Why you leaving?
Because you didn't say you was going to go back and get it. You was locking the door. Okay. See y'all later. Yeah!